Hey guys, how's it going? How to hide and unhide mutual friends on Facebook. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Open up the Facebook. Now what you're going to do, click the menu at the bottom right. And then basically what you're going to do next, move along to the settings gear at the top right. Now you're going to see that basically the settings and privacy. Scroll a little bit down until you find the section for how people find and contact you. Move along. And here you're going to see the two sections: who can send you friend requests and who can see your friends list. So in the first option, you can only set it for friends of our friends, so that way you can limit your mutual friends to friends of our friends, so no one will be able to see nobody will able to see your profile with the mutual friends if you just kept it to your friends of a friend, right? So here, the second option, who can see your friends list, if you want to keep it only me, that way no one, even if they added you, they will not be able to access your friends list. You can only keep it to only me, and basically, that's it. You can hide it, you can control these two options. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.